Good morning, dear Madam Jamila and my fellow friends. Hi, I'm Prashant here. In this wonderful morning, we're going to have Mr. Susan Park, the IT consultant, to develop an information system for the new facility. For that, we will answer questions that consist of A, B, C, and D. But our group going to discuss in another way round where we start from D, C, B, and A. It might sound a bit backward, but trust us, you will understand deeper. We want to keep things lively and different, so sit back, relax, and let's explore the IT stuff in a whole new way. Get ready for the ride?
Of course, yes bro. Let's see the question D. Memo attribute for defined entity in order system. Here are 5 attributes related to entities in order system. First is external agent. An entity represents an external agent which could be an individual, group, or another system interacting with the system. Second is data origin. Entities are sources of destination of data within a system. They either provide input data to the system or receive output data from the system. Third is singular form. Entities are typically named in singular form. For example, if you have an entity representing customers, it could be named as customer rather than customers. And the fourth is interaction with processes. Entities should have interaction with processes. These interactions show how data flow between the external agent, which is entities, and internal processes of the system. And the last is uniqueness. Each entity should be unique and represent a distinct external agent or data source. Now, let's see the memo that we have wrote. Next, we take a look on part C. Memo attributes associated with defined process in the order system. Here are 5 attributes, and the first is transformation. Processes represent activities or transformation that change input data into output data. They can involve in calculations, decisions, or other operations. Second is no storage. Processes in DFDs do not store data. They are focused on transforming input data into output data without retaining any information. Third is named and numbered. Each process is assigned a unique identifier or name. This helps in identifying and referencing processes within the diagram and the documentation. Fourth is inputs and outputs. Inputs are the data or information that process receives, while outputs are the result or transform data that process produces. And the fifth is black box abstraction. Processes are considered as black box in DFDs, focusing on what's going in and what comes out without detailing the internal workings. This abstraction simplifies the representation and make it easier to understand. This is the memo that we wrote for part C. And that's all from me. Next, my bro will take on.
Thanks, bro. Let's look at the part B, which is 0DFD. To begin with members entity, the members can apply either full or limited membership via the membership management process. Throughout this process, member complete an application form by filling basic personal information and make a payment. This information is stored in the membership data. The payment is entered into the Bumblebee interface where various information communicates. The Bumblebee interface proceed will verify the payment and pass the information to the create invoice process. This process enter the sales and charges into the Bumblebee accounting system. In returns, it generates invoice. Meanwhile, the local bank get notified of daily sales deposit. The created invoice will be sent to the Bumblebee interface for verification. The Bumblebee interface recognize the members who have paid and approve the membership. The membership management process grant the access to the facilities, together provide slip, allowing the members to begin their workouts at the fitness center. So far, we're done with the members. That's all for phrase 1. Let's move to the second phrase. The Bumblebee system produces a daily activity report which listing all sales transaction, which goes to the performance report process and store all the activity report in the local report store for the future usage. As mentioned in the question, the manager wants more analytic features so that they can spot the trend, launch special promotion and temporary discounts, and also provide account receivable summary to the headquarters for their use. So, manager use the information that has been stored in the local report store to analyze the market trends. The process 5 will analyze the sales and market trends and provide information about market trends to the managers so that managers launch promotion to gain more members to the fitness center. Besides that, manager also provide data summary to the headquarters by using the performance report process. The breakdown of the performance of revenue and costs of the activity will be sent to the headquarters as the headquarters prepare 3 more reports, which is member sales report, late payer, and quarterly income statement, which all these categorized as a monthly report. In return, the headquarters provide activity and financial report, and all the report in this phase will be stored in the local report store. For the last phase of 0DFD, member will booking trainer through the scheduling activity process. Trainer provide the time availability. This information will be stored at the trainer data. Staff will collect the trainer details from the trainer data store by using the trainer ID. Staff use the trainer data store to control and manage the trainer schedule. At the same time, trainer will also receive scheduled fitness coaching. Once the trainer confirms the availability, will notify to the member. As the question states, several manager wants to offer computerized activity and wellness log. Managers get access and provide activity logs by updating members' activity at the activity log store. From this, manager able to tracking the wellness of member, and eventually manager can use this data to launch promotion. That's all for 0DFD. Now, moving to the part A, which involves creating a context diagram. The context diagram comprises of a single process, represented by the system used. In our case, the Supercenter Information System. This process is denoted as process 0. To accomplish this, we will need to refer back to the 0DFD that has been discussed earlier. By examining the input and outputs of each entity in the diagram that will proceed to generate the context diagram for the Supercenter Information System. It is important to note that the entity required for the context diagram will be same as those identified in the preceding 0DFD. Since I have explained the 0DFD, the context diagram is a simple version of 0DFD. Same entity, same input, and same output. That's all from us. We are done with our presentation. This assignment was tough. I had a lot of times arguing with Tayalan about the different things. We spent a lot of times reading the textbook again and again, watching YouTube videos about DFD and searching on Google. I'm not sure we got everything right, but I hope that Madam can tell us where we can do better. That's all. Thanks.